Amazon Music.
Feel like they only wanna push you away. Some days people don't see you. You feel like you're in the way. Today you feel as everyone hates. Pointing their finger, looking at your mistakes. You do good, but they want great. No matter what you give, they still.
Welcome to Mexico, my bozos. Tonight we're gonna draw Panchomon.
When there's nothing left for you, only thing that you can do is say,
This guy got his first appearance on the Digimon reboot. It's like a warp Digivolve. And everybody loves it when this guy dances. This guy is basically Togemon wearing a Mexican outfit. And get this. He actually has a mouth. Serious.
It's too heavy from things you carry a long time. Been up, you've been down, tired and you don't know why. But you're never gonna go back. You only live one life. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Today, live like I wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire, in a fire, in a fire. Fight like a warrior. Today, live like I wanna. Let yesterday burn and throw it in a fire.
You know what I'm gonna do tomorrow? Work on my museum piece. I don't know the next time when we're gonna see the museum again, but there's always hope. That's the one thing that can never break. That's why I dedicate my life to finishing the master design project. It's about my goal for fame and power is never going to stop. This day is part of it. Alexa, what is Mexico?
Mexico, officially the United Mexican States, is a country in the southern portion of North America.
This music is dinosaur country. And I love me some dinosaur country music. Russell. Now let's draw the rest of his robe. And done. That's how you draw Panchomon. Alright, I'm gonna call it a night.